This is a tutorial for an intermediate move, a higher intermediate move, which is a split heel climb into a Cupid-like position. You don't fully go out into a Cupid, then into a twisty grip, flip over into an inside leg hook, or otherwise known as a Scorpio. So you should feel confident in doing the flip over action from the floor. I've made another video on this and it's called the handstand flip over into inside leg hook or Scorpio. And then yeah, you should be good to go. You should also feel quite confident in a Cupid, because there is a moment where you take both hands off the pole. You should also feel comfortable moving through a butterfly. The reason why it's a higher intermediate move is because obviously you need to have all of these technical movements beforehand, all of this foundation of knowledge of other moves. So we're going to go through the split heel and then I'll talk you through the rest of it. So I'm there, just lift up. I'm going to go straight into an outside leg hook on this bottom leg. So lift up, hook. Straight away from there, I want a twisty grip in the top hand, split grip in the bottom, and then this bottom leg wants to take a big circle, and I need to get this shoulder, this right shoulder, to the other side of the pole. So I take a big round, and then I drop into Scorpio, and then I can find the Scorpio handstand if I want to, there, and then sit myself up to come out. So the idea is, the thing that clicked for me when I was working with this over and over again, trying to think, oh my God, how do you get from A to B? It's not about throwing yourself, it's about the action of the bottom leg. You've got to really use it to go round, round, round and down. And then that just makes that much easier to get the shoulder from one side of the pole to the other. So I'm going to put this in slow-mo now for you so you can really see that action of the leg. And then make sure you play with both sides.